In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress pictures in Microsoft Word and reduce image size. If your Microsoft Word document contains several high-quality images, the file size can become much larger than expected. Compressing pictures can help reduce the overall document size while making the file easier to manage. First, open your Microsoft Word document that contains the pictures you want to compress. Once the document is open, click on one of the pictures inside your document. When the picture is selected, you will see the Picture Format tab appear at the top of Microsoft Word. Click on the Picture Format tab to access the different tools available for editing and formatting the selected picture. Now look for the Compress Pictures option. Click on it to open the picture compression settings. A dialog box will appear with several options. You may see an option to apply the changes to the selected picture only, as well as an option to delete cropped areas of pictures. If you want to reduce the size of the pictures throughout your document, make sure the option to apply the settings to all pictures in the document is selected. If you only want to compress the picture you selected, use the option for the selected picture. Next, look at the picture resolution options. Microsoft Word provides different resolution settings depending on how you plan to use the document. A lower resolution can reduce the image size more, while a higher resolution keeps more image detail. Choose the resolution that fits your document. For a document that will mainly be viewed on a screen, a lower resolution may be suitable. If the document needs higher image quality, you can choose a higher resolution instead. After selecting your preferred settings, click OK to apply the compression. Microsoft Word will now process the picture or pictures using the settings you selected. The images should remain in your document, but their file size may be reduced. If your document contains several large pictures, compressing them can make a noticeable difference in the overall file size. This can also make the document easier to store and manage. Keep in mind that reducing picture resolution can also reduce image quality. For this reason, choose the compression settings carefully, especially when the images contain important details. After applying the changes, review the pictures in your document to make sure they still look clear and suitable for your needs. And that's how you can compress pictures in Microsoft Word and reduce the image size in your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,